Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking. Today, I'm gonna be telling what programming language you need to learn in 2023. In this video, we will be discussing some of the best languages you must learn, giving examples of the types of applications and companies that use these languages. Starting off at number 5, we have Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that runs blazingly fast, prevents segfaults, and guarantees thread safety. It is a statically typed language, which means that you have to specify the type of a value when you declare a variable. This can be helpful for catching errors early on in the development process. One company that uses Rust is Mozilla, the company behind the Firefox web browser. They use Rust to make their browser faster and more secure. At number 4, we have Typescript. Typescript is a superset of JavaScript, which means that it is a version of JavaScript with additional features. One of the main benefits of using Typescript is that it is statically typed, just like Rust. This can help you catch errors before you run your code and can make your code easier to read and understand. Microsoft uses Typescript in many of its projects, including the development of the Visual Studio Code editor. Coming in at number 3, we have C#. C# is a popular programming language that is used to build Windows applications and games. It is an object-oriented language, which means that it is based on the concept of objects, which can contain data and code that manipulates that data. One well-known company that uses C# is Unity Technologies, the company behind the Unity game engine. Many popular games, including Pokemon Go and Assassin's Creed, were built using Unity and C#. At number 2, we have Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that is known for its simplicity and readability. It is often used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, data science and scientific computing. One company that uses Python is Google. They use it for many of their internal tools and for building some of their most popular products, including the Google search engine. And finally, at number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is primarily used to build web applications. It is the most popular programming language in the world and is supported by all modern web browsers. Many well-known companies use JavaScript, including Facebook, which uses it to build the front end of their website, and Netflix, which uses it to build their streaming platform. Thank you for watching this video on the top 5 best programming languages to learn in 2023. I hope you found it helpful in deciding which language to learn next.